Starting with some breaking news on this edition of the Morning News Hour, amid ED heat on the Gandhis in the National Herald case, there is a fresh political storm that is erupting in the state of Himachal Pradesh, with the Sukhu government now being accused of showering crores of rupees in the form of advertisement payments on the National Herald, even as the newspaper has been out of print since 2008. The BJP has cited the state government's reply in the Himachal Assembly, in which the Congress government has officially declared that it has given 97.9 lakh to National Herald in a period of 2 years from January 2023 to February 2025. The BJP has filed a sensational charge saying that the Sukhu government has paid more than 2 crore rupees in 2 years to its mouthpiece publication National Herald and Navjeevan. As per the BJP, these ad payments were made in violation of the rules set by the government's Department of Information and Public Relations. Slamming the Congress government, the BJP also goes on to say that this funding was being done when the state was witnessing a massive financial crunch, with the state even struggling to pay salaries of government employees. There are more details that are now emerging, but here's the fresh charge fired by the BJP in the state of Himachal Pradesh. The Congress government in Himachal Pradesh is facing questions over the money it gave to National Herald in the form of ads. These are the fresh charges by the BJP.
नेशनल हेराल्ड को पैसा देने के लिए और नवजीवन जो इनकी जो कांग्रेस का जो अखबार है उनको पैसा देने के लिए हिमाचल प्रदेश सरकार ने लगभग 2 साल में 2 करोड़ से ज्यादा पैसा उनको जारी कर दिया। एक तरफ से कर्मचारियों को सैलरी नहीं, पेंशन को पेंशन नहीं, सारा योजना वाले बिस्तर पर पड़े हैं, गरीब लोग इलाज के लिए हॉस्पिटल में पड़े हैं, पूरा हिमाचल प्रदेश मरने के लिए छोड़ दिया। एक तरह ये दान नहीं दे सकते हैं आप। एक तरह का हिमाचल प्रदेश सरकार ने जो पैसा अगर दिया है लगभग 2 करोड़ से ऊपर का नेशनल हेराल्ड को और नवजीवन को, एक तरह से वो दान की शेप में दे दिया है।
हिमाचल प्रदेश में अधिकारी कर्मचारियों को पैसा देना सरकार को मुश्किल पड़ता है। डीए की किश्त नहीं देते, महिलाओं को 1500 रुपया महीना देने की बात कही थी वो पूरा नहीं करते, 2 रुपए किलो गोबर, 100 रुपए लीटर दूध नहीं खरीदते। ये सारे काम होते नहीं, लेकिन नेशनल हेराल्ड को करोड़ों रुपया 12 दिसंबर 2022 से लेके 20 फरवरी 2025 तक कांग्रेस की सरकार देती है। तो मेरा सवाल कांग्रेस के मुख्यमंत्री हिमाचल प्रदेश से है कि किस आधार पर ये पैसे दिए गए। ये कांग्रेस के लिए एटीएम बन गया है, कांग्रेस परिवार के लिए, चाहे राहुल जी हो, सोनिया गांधी जी हो, एक तरह से एटीएम नेशनल हेराल्ड को और यंग इंडियंस को इन्होंने बनाया है। लेकिन हिमाचल के लोगों का पैसा नेशनल हेराल्ड को क्यों दिया गया?
The ATM charge once again by the Bharatiya Janata Party raising questions, showing a sharp contrast with the fact that a state which is unable to pay salaries to government employees on time, how is it that it is giving so many, ads to National Herald in the form of, advertisements? Now, let's also get you what the Chief Minister of the state is saying with regards to the allegations fired by the Bharatiya Janata Party. When Chief Minister Sukhu was asked about lakhs of rupees being given to National Herald in the form of advertisements, he brazened it out. He said it is their newspaper and the government will continue giving ads to it.
विज्ञापन भी दिया है नेशनल हेराल्ड को।
नेशनल हेराल्ड हमारी अपनी अखबार है, हम उसमें खूब विज्ञापन देते रहेंगे।
आपको विज्ञापन भी दिया है नेशनल हेराल्ड को।
नेशनल हेराल्ड हमारी अपनी अखबार है, हम उसमें खूब विज्ञापन देते रहेंगे।
पूनम शर्मा is joining us live. हम खूब विज्ञापन देते रहेंगे। नेशनल हेराल्ड अपनी अखबार है. This is what the Chief Minister is saying in his response when the Bharatiya Janata Party is citing 2 things. One, there is a financial crunch in the state. Amid the financial crunch, how is it that the state government is giving so much money in the form of ads to National Herald, which went out of print in the year 2008? They are also pointing at violation of certain rules. What are these rules that the BJP is pointing at, Poonam?
Yeah, as BJP claims that DAVP rules have been violated. I just want to tell you that an ad has been released to National Herald, and it is very shocking that on one date, like on 26th of June, ad was released. 26th of June, ad was released of 2 lakh. On the same day, on 26th of June, another ad was released that was 4 lakh. Now, how is it possible that on the one same day, ad has been released to one newspaper? That's 2 times. Now BJP is claiming that this incident happened 3 times. 3 times they have done this time, that on same date they have released the ad 2 times and they have violated the DAVP rules. Now BJP is also claiming that on one side they are giving ads on the same day 2 times, and on other side, as CM Sukhu has many times he has said that financial crunch is going on, and the 10 guarantees which they had given, they had not fulfilled, and they are also saying that due to financial crunch, they had promised that 300 units of electricity will be given free, but they said that as Himachal is facing financial crunch, so we cannot give 300 units free, and they have hiked the charges of electricity. Even though they have introduced milk cess on electricity, people have to pay high bills, and people have to pay water tax, people have to pay, many taxes have been implemented on the public, and on the other side they are giving around about more than 2 crores ad has been released to National Herald and Navjivan, and other side the BJP is claiming, how can you misuse the public funds in such a way, and the guarantees which you have given to the public, you have not fulfilled any guarantee, whether it is 1500 to the women, and whether it is youth startup yojana.
So the BJP is making it about priorities while also citing specific instances and documents that you're seeing on your screens. The BJP is making this document the fulcrum of its attack on the Congress government in the state of Himachal Pradesh. The BJP says that rules were violated and ads were given at a time when the state is undergoing financial crunch, when promises made to the Janta in the name of guarantees were not fulfilled. Thank you so much, Poonam, for breaking down those details.